I just had a friend of mine bring up a really good point, and he was talking about how we're supposed to show pride in our race, which I agree with that. However, you don't worship your race. You worship God. Race is not the relevant issue when it comes to dealing with politics or with things that are of the law. God is. If it doesn't fit, then you're supposed to do something about it. Not to be funny, but worshiping a race, when you put one race above another, even when it's your own, you are worshiping a false idol. We're not here for that. God created all of us equally, no matter what color or religion we are. And we should always remember this when we're dealing with the public. Because in my situation, it came down to race with dealing with my daughter's lawyer. And it should never be that way, especially when you have mixed race parents. I'm not racist by any means. And it really offended me that this lady would pick that video in order to reflect something and twist it into such a negative thing, when to me it was a thing of beauty to see people come together in spite of their color and accept each other for what they were. I still love those people. Some of them are wrong, but that's in God's hands. I can't do anything but pray and hope that whoever was in that video that's still here wakes up and does the right thing. Worshiping one race or another, we did not do. We were coming together as a family to celebrate my birthday in that video. And it's very sad to me that this lawyer decided to degrade that and attack it. It's terrible that this lady picked this as an issue when it never should have been in the first place. It should have been about whether or not Tiara was abused or neglected, and that was never the case. We asked for help appropriately, and were denied help. I feel because of situations involving my past history with the court system with regards to what happened in Seattle and Bremerton, Washington. There is a malicious prosecution here in Cass County, and it didn't just occur with me. I've got numbers and files showing other issues, specifically where violations of the Privacy Act are concerned. These guys are horrific, what they did to me and my family, and I pray God serve his justice on them. But that's all I can do. It's in his hands. Nothing more, nothing less. With God's love, God bless America. Have a blessed day. And bring Tiara home.